Hi, this is Steve, and welcome to another edition of the World of Global Equity Timing. Today we're going to be talking about Netflix. It's one of the FANG stocks, and we show how that stock has just become defanged. And we're going to look at the tools of global equity timing that helped call a downturn in that stock, as well as showing you some of the upturns that global equity timing helped you capture with the tools that we have at our disposal within this trading platform environment. So let's get right to the chart and take a look. So here is the big move over here. But before we get that, let's look at some of the signals that were provided by this Netflix trade. And we're looking at weekly charts. We've got the filtered composite across the top. We have the ADA oscillator across the bottom. When the ADA oscillator is positive, according to our algorithm, this area will light up as green. If the ADA oscillator is negative, as per the algorithm, the screen will light up as red. So we had a number of pretty long bullish run in here, and as a matter of fact, global equity timing caught a move from the probably the 50-60 area on up to above 120, probably a doubling in value. The next big move in this stock occurred right over in here, and this was really the monster move from the 90 area clear on up to 400. Did ADA help us with this call? Well, yes, it did. Notice that ADA was bullish throughout this period as we got buy signals here, here, and here as the stock finally really started to accelerate. What's interesting here is that our ADA algorithm, which lights up in green when this area is bullish, failed to do so. Well, that's just the nature of algorithms. They're not always going to pick things up. They do a pretty darn good job, but there are some subtleties the algorithm doesn't pick up, and that's when the eye is especially important to us. In other words, our visual inspection. If we were bullish on Netflix in this area here and here and here, and we had the Atom buy-sell engine saying buy, and we had a bullish ADA as well occurring in here, that probably would have tipped us over the top to buy this stock, all other things being equal. But throughout this entire phase in here, plenty of people were bearish of Netflix. And there was really no great opportunity to get short, perhaps in here, but our tools did not show it. They didn't show it until right here. And how did they show that? Well, they showed negative ADA, mostly negative from this period clear on over to this period. There was a little one area of green, but ADA stayed negative for the most part. And in fact, the ADA algorithm caught this particular move. It said that the stock was under distribution. It was timely to sell the stock, and our Atom buy-sell engine generated a sell signal, and it gave us a target down in this area, down in the 229 area of the stock. How did that target get computed? Well, there's two ways. One is our proprietary Atom projector, which gave us a target zone right in here, but there was another system methodology that's been around for a long time called a measured move that gave the exact same target area. In fact, this particular method, called the measured move, said there would be a 155-point down move from here down to here. What is a measured move and how does it work? Well, you take the distance from here to here, this particular move that went from A to B, and when we get a sell signal, we can say we can expect the next move to be equal in length or equal in price to this move. And that's a measured move. As we go forward in time, I fully expect other FANG stocks will be defanged. How are we going to know when we want to short those stocks? Well, I think ADA will probably give us some pretty strong clues as to when to get short and take some profits on the short side in these stocks. Well, that concludes this edition of the World of Global Equity Timing. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, good timing, good trading, and good day.